Hey, Alex attempts Tabletop, and today I'm going to show you how to paint blood-soaked Nighthaunt. Yes, I've already done some paint guides, you can check them out, and I know it's not October, but hey, let's get painting. So you're going to need 3 paints today. Olympus paint contrast, Cab crimson wash, and then finally a technical paint, blood for the blood god. I don't know why I did that, bit of brutal screaming. Anyway, these paint schemes are inspired by the likes of the film Carrie, Midsummer. I'm awful with horror films, I'm awful with gore fest, but on miniature form, probably pretty cool. So you want the model primed in grey sear, and then you're going to apply this contrast paint. You're going to do it in a downstroke motion, because I find with contrast paint, if you use your brush and going back and forth, you get this really messy kind of clouded look, and it kind of ruins that base colour we're going for. So take your time, don't drown it in the wash, but also apply it enough to cover it. And as you see there's the first coat. It's pretty good, but slightly patchy. You get that with contrast. So we're going to use a wash now to kind of tone all of that down. So as you see, I'm going to bang on that Carabao Crimson now all over, and this is going to give us deeper depth to the model. And it's going to kind of make it even darker and give us more of that undercoat of the gore before we put the blood god on. So like I kind of mentioned with the contrast paint, you don't want to put too much on, you just want to put enough on. And with washes, if it starts to pool up, use your brush, get rid of the excess paint, put it where it needs to go, or just put it back in the pot. So as you can see now, the model, it's a lot darker, it's a lot more the same colour. It looks pretty nice, and it's still giving us nice bits of depth now in those recesses and shade. So now we're going to apply blood for the blood god. So just bang this on all over, not loads but not little. You want to kind of get enough so you have that nice shine, and this model looks like he's jumped into a bathtub full of blood and guts of your friends, because that's nice. As well, here's some of my friends. My Patreons, they're pretty cool people. You can join the crew, there's links in the description. They help support the channel, I would appreciate it. If not, just liking, viewing, subscribing to the YouTube is also appreciated. So anyway, back here, I'm just banging on the paint, and now our blood-soaked warrior is ready to kill people. As you see, here's the model. I've done some Battle Mire texture paint, I've done some turfs and grass, and that green really works nicely with that deep gory red, so they contrast well. Apologies about my awful turntable skills. I am a human, I'm not a mechanical machine made to turntable and showcase miniatures. Hopefully you enjoyed this. You take care, all the best.